Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In the previous session, we have learned about input and output devices. In this session, we will see what is a scanner, different types of scanner, and how to check whether a scanner is attached to a computer system. So let's start. A scanner is a device that transfers data such as hand drawn pictures or text, photographic prints and posters, and magazine pages into the computer. So, students, any page, any hard copy, when you put inside the scanner, that copy will be shown on the monitor. So, scanner transfers the photos of the paper into the computer system. It does so by converting the document image into digital format, which can then be fed into the document. The scanned data can be edited or modified in the computer. So whatever page or whatever paper you have scanned using scanner, that can be further edited in the computer system. You can make changes in that picture. The three main types of scanners are flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, and handheld scanner. Students, you can see the pictures just below the description. So the first picture is this picture, and it is flatbed scanner, and you can see the size of flatbed scanner is actually bigger than these two scanners. Now sheet fed scanner, it is relatively small in size as compared to that of the flatbed scanner. The last type is handheld scanner, and this is the smallest size scanner. Now students, let us see how to check whether a scanner is attached to a computer system. Now before seeing the steps, we will see what is scanning. A process of converting paragraphs or pictures of paper into digital format that can be recognized by computer is known as scanning. Dear students, it means that when you put a pages like this into the scanner will automatically convert the paragraphs and photos, images into digital format so that computer understand that format. So that process is called as scanning. Now we will see whether a scanner is attached to a computer system is not by using the given steps. So first of all, you have to click on the start button. Yes, here is the start button. Now at the right side menu, just find control panel. Now see, here is a control panel. Just click on control panel and the menu prompts. Now from the menu, under the hardware and sound section, there is an option view devices and printers. Okay, in the hardware and sound section, option is view devices and printers. Click this option. Now dear students, you can see all the devices that are connected to the computer system. Now to my computer system, mouse is attached, keyboard is attached, CPU is attached, as well as a DVD drive is attached, and you can see monitor is attached. DVD drive is used to play the CDs and DVDs. Okay, this is the monitor on which you see the pictures and movies, etc. Now this is CPU actually, and CPU is the brain of computer. Each and every process happens inside the CPU. This is a keyboard by using which you can type. This is the mouse. It is a pointing device used to draw and point the things on computer. Now students, I don't have any printer and scanner attached to my computer system because you can see there is a tick mark only on the send to OneNote option, and this is not a printer. Okay, this is a Microsoft service which can be used to see the print paper review. Okay, it is not used for printing, it is used to check the review, or it is called as preview. This is actually printer and it is fax, but these are not attached to the computer system. So I hope you understood today's session. In case of any queries or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.